Hello everyone, good day to all. In this video I would like to share my experience in fine-tuning or customizing large language model. For my custom dataset I have chosen HR domain. As this domain is known to every employee across organizations. I have taken GPT-2 model from the Hugging Face and customized for my dataset. The front end I have used React application for the front end, and the back end it is using Flask API server, and Flask API server is contacting the models, large language models. So let me ask some questions to this bot. What is holiday policy? So it is contacting and it is responding to the questions. What is holiday policy? What is leave policy? And what is notice period? So these are all the generic HR domain questions and answers. What is notice period during probation? What is notice period during production? So it is given the response. What is as per the Provident Fund organization process. Is it possible to take leaves during notice period? So let me ask a question. So sick leaves can be taken. In case of casual leaves taken, notice period will be extended. So do we get salary? Let me ask one more question. Do we get salary during notice period? Do we get salary during notice period? So we won't get salary during notice period. So this is a history of all the question and answers. Employees can ask any questions related to HR domain, and HR bot is going to respond by the help of large language models which are at the back end. Suppose if I ask a question which is not related to HR domain, like what is thermodynamics? What is thermodynamics? I am asking a question related to physics. So let us see what it is going to respond. It is responding, this question is not related to thermodynamics. Let me ask one more question. What is biology? What is biology? So this is also not related to this domain. So it is going to respond based on the score. The questions whatever we are asking, first it will check the score that this question is related to the data which is trained to this model. So it is not related to HR domain, so it is returning to the score. I have taken a score of 30%. If any score which is greater than 30%, it is going to respond. If the score is less than 30%, it it is going to give a message that that question is not related to this domain. So this is the usage of this application. Let me show you the architecture of this applications. Users can contact to React application. React application is contacting to Flask API server, and the Flask API server is contacting the models. The models, the large language models which are present in this laptop, not outside this laptop. It is not contacting to any other model which is outside of this laptop. That means it is complying to all the data privacy policies of any organization. It is not contacting anywhere outside. It is contacting to the models which are there in this laptop. So the data set which I have chosen is 60 to 60 questions of the question and answers for training, and it took approximately 3 hours of my 3 hours of time in this GPU environment, and rest of the thing is development of React application and API server and API server and model deployments and the model deployments. So this is my experience. This is my experience in customizing and fine-tuning the large language models. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.